preview. Watch till end. Want to create like this? Do follow some simple steps. Hi friends. Welcome back. Watch the video till end. First, download VPN from Play Store or App Store. Open it and connect it, because Capcut does not work in India. Don't forget to like and subscribe. After connecting the VPN, go to website, link in description. Do subscribe for more Capcut template. After visiting the website, wait a while to load. Click on Use Template on Capcut. It directly take you to Capcut. Note that VPN should be on. Click on Use Template and wait. Select your best photos to edit the video. Subscribe, like, share, comment. You can put up to 5 or 6 photos. After selecting, click Preview. Wait until it edit. Edit which you don't need. Click Export. Click Export without watermark.
Lama, I see you.